Tonight, we're preparing for another KDKA First Alert Weather Day. Meteorologist Kristin Emery is tracking some potentially strong storms on the way tomorrow. Kristin, what's the latest tonight?
Looks like, Ken, the timing of this is going to happen a little earlier than what we had previously thought. Looks like late afternoon into early evening might be the best timeline for some gusty winds with these storms. So we show you that with Futurecast in just a minute. First, enjoy the comfortable temperatures. We're down to the lower 70s in Latrobe, Indiana, 66 in Somerset. Pretty comfortable there. Washington has dipped into the upper 60s. Pittsburgh, Beaver, Butler, all still in the mid 70s. We're on our way down in Pittsburgh to the upper 60s by tomorrow morning. Cloud cover will stick around overnight tonight. Can't rule out a stray shower, especially areas north, closer to I-80. We've already seen some showers up along the Lake Erie shoreline. But the severe weather threats tomorrow will come from lunchtime on and more than likely in the late afternoon and through the early to mid-evening. Wind damage would be the biggest threat, although hail and some isolated flash flooding or a tornado, an outside chance that is possible as well with this setup. We're in a level 2 out of 5, or a slight risk category. Futurecast keeps the cloud cover with us as we go through the early morning hours. Here's 7 a.m. You'll wake up to partly to mostly cloudy skies, but overcast by around 10 or 11 a.m. Then we'll start to see a couple of showers in spots to the west around lunchtime. And by 2 o'clock here, a couple of storms start to pop. Now watch what happens off to the west. There's a cold front that will be pushing through Ohio. And as this arrives, the latest data from Futurecast is starting this thunderstorm activity a little earlier. Earlier this evening on our newscast, we were looking at this model showing activity heavier to the south later in the evening. Now it's looking like around 4 to 5 o'clock, we could get a line of some strong thunderstorms with gusty winds pushing from northwest to southeast through the area. And it'll be all over with by around 10 or 11, just a couple of showers left as everything exits off to the south and east. Now, how much rainfall can we expect? It'll be a damp day tomorrow. Thursday, we're back to dry weather. Some of the areas could get mainly around a half an inch to an inch of rain if we get thunderstorms that happen in spots a couple of times over, possibly up to 2 inches of rain. So that's why there is the concern that we could see some flash flooding potential if we have thunderstorms train or hit 2 or 3 times in a row in the same spots. 68 tonight, scattered shower possible, but tomorrow, take the umbrella with you. Stay weather aware in the afternoon and evening. It's a first alert day because we could have those strong storms as early as 2 or 3. More than likely, it'll be around dinner time when we start seeing that. And then everything clears out by midnight. Thursday, we're back down to a high of 80, a beautiful day, lots of sunshine. We bounce back up to the mid 80s on Friday and Saturday. Saturday, another cold front arrives. Could see some showers and storms later in the day. Sunday, Monday, back to lower 80s, very average for late June. And then Tuesday, you see that 88 degrees Tuesday through the end of the week, and that means the 4th of July holiday right now looking a little warm.